Shadow! Shadow, I want to ask you something. If you don't mind, I want to experience baseball.
What?
Baseball, the sport game you guys play in the past. There's no baseball in the future. I want to see what it actually looks like.
My answer is no. I am not gonna join you.
What? Why not?
Because I don't want to.
But please, Shadow, please, 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 please.
I'm gonna shoot this guy. He's my friend. Not my friend. You know what? Fine. Silver. I'll go with you. But next time you ask for me this again, I am not gonna accept it.
Oh my gosh, thank you, Shadow. Alright, follow me. I've got a ticket to a baseball game. Let's go.
He just said he does. Where did he get that?
Here we are. We're at the baseball stadium.
Cool. So, what do we do now?
But we wait, I guess. I don't know. I've never, actually never seen a baseball game in my life.
Well, I did just a few times on TV. I don't usually wait for it. I usually watch some Latinos on TV.
Okay, that's a very weird obsession, Shadow. You really need to fix that.
Should I or should I not?
Why did you